Wildcats on a 5-game win streak visiting the Bobcats. No score after 1 second period. Tristan Harrell with the breakaway goal, and it's Northview on the board first. Bobcats, Shane Casson chases it down, fires it on net, but it's Austin Nowak with the grab. We're going to stay tied at 2 in the second. Benny Seals over to Landon Elliott. The shot, and Seals is there for the backside rebound. The Wildcats retake the lead. The Bobcats now looking for the equalizer. Drake Joseph, the blast, Nowak, kick, save, the netminder comes up big with another stop. Back at the other end, the Bobcats force the turnover. Braden Clausen to Luke Johnson, pokes it home, and we're tied again at 2. And we're headed to overtime at Slater, but get this, the game gets called due to clock curfew and ends in a 2-2 tie. All I want to know is if the power of the Yellow Pants is still in effect.
They didn't lose wearing the yellow pants again, so I say it's still good.